Now, next topic is your income elasticity of demand. We have already covered the topic price elasticity, its types and its methods and factors. Now, we have next topic is income elasticity. What is income elasticity? Income elasticity, EY is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded to a percentage change in income. Instead of price, you will write income. Because in price elasticity, we are writing percentage change in demand to a percentage change in price. But in income, we are writing percentage change in demand as to a percentage change in income. In economics, we define income as Y. Okay. Now, there are three types of income elasticity. That is positive, negative, and zero. There are three types of income elasticity of demand: positive income elasticity, negative income elasticity, and zero income elasticity. Now, what is positive income elasticity? Positive means that there is a direct relation between income and demand. Negative means there is an inverse relationship between income and demand. Don't write price. If you will write price here, so you will get zero. You have to write income, not price. And zero means there is no relation between income and price, income and demand. Now, positive means income increases, demand increases, income decreases, demand also decreases, which shows direct relationship. Now, this case happens in normal goods. Normal goods. Normal goods are those goods where income increase with increase in demand and falls with a fall in demand. Understood? That is the case of normal goods. Like AC, car, TV, you can only purchase if your income is more. Right? Negative. Negative means income increases, demand falls, income falls, demand increases, which happens in the case of inferior goods. Now, what are inferior goods? Inferior goods are cheap quality goods, which you will demand when your income is less, and you will not demand if your income is more. So, if income is more, then demand will be less of cheaper goods, and if demand is less, then you will demand more for cheaper goods. So, that is the case of inferior goods. Zero income elasticity means income increase or decrease, demand will remain the same. That is the case of inexpensive goods. Inexpensive goods. Inexpensive goods means like salt, medicine, you have to purchase whether your income is more or less, you have to demand. Understood? That is the case of zero income elasticity. So these are the three types of income elasticity, that is positive, negative, and zero. Understood? And formula of calculating income elasticity is percentage change in demand to a percentage change in income. You should not write price. You have to write income, not price. If you will write price here, so you will get zero. Done? Pause for next topic.